Childhood is precious. It's a time for fun, connection, and infinite possibility. School is nurturing, filling hearts and minds through education and community in a safe, compassionate environment.
It was the deadliest single day in Israel's history.
They were on the phone to them and they said they're shooting at us and now they're taking us.
On October the 7th, Kfar Silver students are plunged into danger, and their homes are anything but safe.
The hours of being locked there, hearing nothing but bad news and hoping that my family is safe.
This is the scariest moment of my life because I thought that they are coming to the youth village. It's less than 10 minutes drive.
2 brave bus drivers risked their lives to evacuate the students.
We got 7 minutes to pack our clothes and just ran straight at the buses and go God knows where.
Being safe means displacement, distress,
It's going to be harmful.
and loss.
My friend's parents died trying to protect them.
She was the best sister ever.
My entire world just changed for the worse.
World ORT manager's Mirab's son Ayel was serving in Gaza.
One shot, only one shot. Through the heart. This is my life now. Talking about how to commemorate him.
With students now homeless and broken, support begins to flood in with the World ORT family offering board, support, and solidarity. And as students participate in remote sessions and return to the classrooms, we learn to recognize the signs of PTSD. Whether remotely or in the classroom, workshops become vital, giving students support and the tools to escape.
The best way to take out the stress is to be active.
The activities are a great escape from the reality that we've been forced into.
But for many, the trauma is too much, and alternative therapies help them open up. World ORT holds a forum for educators and teachers across the network who share the same narrative of increased anti-Semitism, increased security, and being overwhelmed by the constant, harrowing news feeds. Respite is needed more and more, and our trips allow students to connect with local and international communities.
We flew to Mexico.
I met other kids within my situation.
We're friends now and we're talking a lot.
With time for support, education, and reflection.
I think that it gave me 2 weeks of a break from everything. It was just a life-changing experience.
I heard from my parents that I kind of came back a different person.
We must continue to offer our students the future they deserve, with outreach to remote students through new technology and support for our teachers. We must continue healing the displaced. We must continue to fight until everyone is home. And youth is about living and building a better future.